Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to fix paper jam on your Brother MFC printer. Okay, as you can see here in my printer inside, I have a jammed paper card, and let's try to fix it. So there are different ways to do that. The first way is just to if the part of paper card is here and you can catch it, so just catch it and pull it up, and in this way you will remove this paper card. The second way, if you can't catch it, so just remove the paper tray and paper out tray, and in this way it will be easier to catch your paper card. And now, for example, as you can see, I can catch it and I can remove it from my printer. And here, as you can see, we have all this mechanism. I have this card from this side. I can catch it and remove it to different way. As you can see, I have this card and I can remove it right now. If your card is jammed and cut it to different pieces, you can remove all of these pieces right from here. But your printer must be disabled, and must be disabled from the electricity, because here are electrical elements. Okay, so cool these. But if your printer is still have parts of or pieces of the paper card inside, here on the reverse of your printer you have these two buttons. Put them together and open this part of the printer, and here we have the paper card we can remove. Cool, that's it. Now close this part of your printer. Of course, if you have pieces of paper sheet here, remove them too. Close this cover, then close the paper tray and paper out tray. Cool, that's it. So Brother printer is really cool in these cases, just because it's very easy to clean. You don't need to unscrew some screws or something about it. You just can remove paper card without any problems. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.